Hey guys, this is KyLudwig with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you the Heartland Torque T333. It's a 2022. We got a fiberglass fiberglass cap on here with some LED lighting. It does come gen prepped as well, so that's really nice. Come on over here. We got our tongue jack, power tongue jack right here. A couple propane tanks as well. Got the guard on the bottom to get the rocks, prevent the rocks from scraping everything. Got a little bit of some storage here, pretty thick, and it also just magnetically stays there. And then it's also got the clicking feature instead of just, sliding it in. This does come, this is a toy hauler. This does come equipped with Asdel, which is essentially, it keeps your coach from water damage and rot, decay, mold, and delamination, more importantly. So there's got two entrances here. There's one here and one in the back as well in the garage. We got some steps, so let's just go on into the coach. As you enter in here, nice little floor plan here where we got the bed on that side, the living space and kitchen area here. And we're also separated from the garage as well. So the living space and kitchen space is actually separated. To your left, you got the flat screen TV. You also got a really solid surface, nice dinette kind of thing here, as well as some seating. Got some theater seating right here as well. And some seating right here. Can totally turn this into a bed. Got some storage here on the top. Plenty of things for your liking, whatever you can put in here. Pretty deep drawers. Solid surface countertops here as well. But we got a removable counter right here. Just a lot of counter space. Super easy, trendy sink, as well as some drawers down here for your silverware. Other things as well. A couple pots and pans. Goes deep into there too. Got our stovetop here, 3 burners with the stove down here. Oh, even more places for pots and pans as well. This place does come equipped with an AC unit right there on the top. You got some more controls as you go here to the left. There's controls right here for everything that you need, as well as some more storage here on the top. Just lots and lots of storage, love it. All right, as we come back here to the bedroom, we can see we got a walk around bed here. Got some wardrobe closets in here as well. Storage on the top, really convenient. You also got a king bed here as well, so it's a little bit bigger, which is quite nice. Then we also got some electrical outlets and some USB ports down there, as well as some storage on the bottom. Put anything you like down there. And then if you want more privacy, there is a door to separate everything. It's quite nice. If you wanted to be alone. All right. More electrical jacks right here, or electrical outlets right there. Got the fridge and the freezer, pretty decent size. And then as you get closer to the garage, here's the mid bathroom, so you can come on in here. What I like about this one is it's got 2 doors, one from the living space and one from the garage as well. But take a look at that bathroom, nice walk-in shower there. Then we make our way to the garage. This is a 13-foot garage. You got your seats right up here, as well as the loft on the bed right there. If you come on inside the coach, there's some table and some rugs there. You can see that there's more storage on the top here. Close this. Then you can even put a TV right here if you like. And if you go around to this side, there's a lot of space in here, as well as a lot of just windows as well, so it kind of gives you that outdoor feeling. We got the ramp over here as well, And so it's got on the sides where you can just go ahead and go up the ramp, and really, really strong coming on up here. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever, feel free to just go ahead and give me a call. My name is Kyle. Call me at 541-799-8794. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.